taxes are a very important issue. And Republican voters are fans of the Bush tax cuts. They think the pro-growth tax cut and the pro-growth tax policies we've had in the last 8 years have really helped, and are very concerned about that those are going to expire in 2010, 2011. And all the Democratic candidates have been very clear that they do want to repeal those tax cuts. So we've been out there. The governor's been talking very forcefully about a very aggressive tax-cutting agenda, extending all the tax cuts of the last few years. One thing we're really proud of is that he's put forth a middle-class tax savings plan, which goes to the point of this discussion today, what is the middle class? And he said that for everybody with adjusted gross incomes under $200,000 a year, we should have a 0% rate on interest, capital gains, and dividends. So it's really extending pro-growth tax cuts even farther and covering a wide swath of the country. That would be 95% of the people in the country would qualify for those. That's probably something very different from the way the Democrat candidates would address how to help the middle class. So we've kind of gone with the traditional route of trying to take burdens off the American people on taxes. There's also other big questions out there in the economy. We have the housing crisis, which we're certainly going to be dealing with the after effects for the next few years. We also have health care. And, I think it's probably more traditional that Democrat candidates would talk a lot about health care, but Governor Romney really feels that health care is going to be a major issue next year. And he's the only one with a record of getting more folks health insurance as a governor. So he in our policy meetings, he's always, saying very clearly that health care should be a Republican issue and that we have to work hard on it. And he concentrates on getting everyone private health insurance. There'll be candidates that talk about getting everybody health insurance, and they mean government health insurance. He concentrates on getting everybody private health insurance and bring down the cost of health care. So I think the taxes and health care are going to be two huge issues next year.